Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Eileen. Just have a quick project share for you today. This is what I created on Thursday live with Ebony. As you know, we're crafting for our swap, our strawberry shortcake swap. So my swap partner knows not to watch my channel because I'm sharing content at the same time as I'm making for the swap. So anyway, I wanted to show my little box that I created for our dangle, and I put a Velcro up at the top here, and then at the inside here I have a pull out. So I have a little tab there and you can pull the dangle out. Well, you can attempt to pull the dangle out. It's a kind of tight fit. I don't know what's going on, but anyway, you pull the dangle out and it's attached here at the top with the clasp. I put a little twist tie up here, and so my little pull tab just lays flat when you close it up. But here's the dangle. I think I've already shared my dangle here on my channel, but at the very bottom is the jumbo strawberry. So pretty. But yeah, there you go. Beautiful, beautiful dangle. All the strawberries and the strawberry shortcake. So you just slide it back in, put the sides down, put the back, and then you put the front. So very nice finish. I added a rosette from the Rosette Guru from Ebony, and I made this bow from foam, fun foam, and I used the KSCRAFT die, bow die. I've shared that also in a previous video. And then this is just a SVG, a die cut from Etsy. I downloaded a few files that I purchased, and the paper that I'm using is another digital file, and it looks like this. It's got the strawberry with the polka dots in the background. Strawberry shortcake theme. Look at her hat. Strawberry with the polka dots and the red dress. So cute, right? So I made that, and then I also finished up my tag flip. I'm not going to share the flip, but I am going to share this. I added a bunch of trims as a tassel at the top of the clip. I've got some seam binding, some rick-rack, some polka dot ribbon, and even some chunky yarn, some gold tulle, pom-pom trims. It's just so cute. And then I added a strawberry acrylic piece that I got from Ebony from the Rosette Guru. So pretty to tie it all together, right? And then you got this tag right here is the front. I'm not going to flip through them, but that is what I did to finish the tag flip. So beautiful. So yeah, if you guys missed the live, I hope you guys go watch the replay. So much fun. I was creating my box. My box is a 2x2 by 7 3/4 tall. And very easy. And then I also cut out a little window for my box. So there you have it. Yeah, if you need anything, just if you have any questions, please leave it in the chat below. I will leave Ebony's links in the description box also. And yeah, thanks for watching. Thumbs up this video. If you're new here, welcome. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Join the Crafty family. While you're there, hit the notification bell, and that will let you know when I load new videos like this or when I go live here on my channel. So thanks again, everybody, and I'll see you all next time. Bye.